In this video, we will show the best Himalaya shampoos available to buy. At number 7. Himalaya Dryness Defense Protein Shampoo. This unique detangling formula provides manageability to tangled hair, reduces static and protects hair from future damage. At number 6. Himalaya Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. It removes dandruff and nourishes and strengthens hair roots, ensuring a healthy scalp. Natural ingredients help moisturize the hair, preventing dryness. At number 5. Himalaya Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo. It stimulates hair follicle growth and is effective in strengthening hair roots and controlling hair fall. It improves your hair texture to reduce hair fall due to breakage. At number 4. Himalaya Gentle Daily Care Protein Shampoo. It is enriched with natural proteins. It gently cleanses and provides the necessary nourishment to hair. Himalaya's Gentle Daily Care Protein Shampoo keeps your hair soft, smooth and healthy. At number 3. Himalaya Herbals Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. It removes dandruff, nourishes and strengthens hair roots, ensuring a healthy scalp. Regular use results in the visible reduction of flakes, itching and hair fall. At number 2. Himalaya Damage Repair Protein Shampoo. It nourishment and intensive conditioning from the root to the tip by repairing and strengthening the hair. It is specially formulated for dry, frizzy and damaged hair caused by blow drying and chemicals. At number 1. Himalaya Herbals Protein Shampoo. It is made from naturally derived hair protein-friendly foaming agents that are gentle on your hair and scalp. The natural foaming agent also smoothens hair and cleans effectively yet gently.